MASSCAN is a port scanning tool that comes pre-built with Linux. Let's say you want to find some random websites that have the port 80 and 443 open. So we'll do sudo masscan, then the range of IPs, in this case we want all of them, then the ports 80 and 443, then the rate we'll do 1 million per second, that's just the limit, we probably won't count that. Then the output, like ips.txt, and yeah, we have to do the exclude for some reason. Now it's scanning lots of IPs, like it already found 80, 112, 116. Yeah, so let's stop it. And let's look at our ips.txt file. So we'll do cat ips.txt. As you can see, there are lots of IPs here, and most of them are actually websites that you can go on. I've gone through some of them, and most of them are just login websites that have nothing interesting in them. That's all for today. See you later!